We absolutely love Pepe's Peri Peri chicken and spicy rice with white sauce, but it has become too expensive, so I make it at home. Got about 1 kg of chicken wings here. It's a mix of wings and niblets. I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Nando's Peri Peri lemon and herb marinade, Nando's Peri Peri medium marinade. I love mixing them up. Cornstarch. Coat the wings really well, and I'm gonna let these marinate for about 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. The chicken wings have been marinating in the fridge for like 2 hours now, so I'm just gonna add some oil in them now. Mix them. Take your air fryer once. Place the chicken wings in there. These are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Make the rice. I've heated up some oil. I'm gonna add some chopped garlic and chopped pepper in. Fry this until light brown. I'm gonna add some spices, coriander powder, turmeric powder, paprika, red chilli flakes, salt. Add the spices with a little bit of water so you don't burn them. I'm gonna add some tomato paste in it, or you can use fresh blended tomatoes. Now I'm gonna cook this for a minute. The masala is cooked. I'm gonna add some water. This is warm water. So for 2 cups of rice, you have to add 4 cups of water. Now I'm gonna bring this to boil. I always add little bit of milk to any rice that I make. It just adds a lot more flavor. The water has come to a boil. I'm gonna add rice. This is 2 cups of basmati rice, and I washed them and soaked them for half an hour. Give it a mix. Now cook them on high heat until the water is almost dry, without any lid on. So the water is almost dry, but you can still see it. Sage, sprinkle some garam masala on it, place some green chilies, cover it and let it cook on the lowest heat for exactly 20 minutes. White sauce. I'm gonna take some yogurt. Then I'm gonna add about half cup of mayonnaise, garlic powder, a lot of garlic powder. Mix this, and because the yogurt is quite thick, I'm gonna add some water. So that's the white sauce. Just a quick salad to go with the food. So I've chopped some cucumbers, radishes and white onion. I'm gonna add some lemon juice to it. Add molasses, salt and some sumac. Sumac and pomegranate molasses, you can get these from any Arabic grocery store or Turkish grocery store. They have them. So that's it. It's been 20 minutes and this is how the wings look. I'm gonna flip them. Now I'm gonna air fry these on this side as well for another 10 minutes. Chicken wings are ready. Rice ready. So just plate up everything together. The spicy rice, salad, the peri peri chicken wings, or you can make chicken boneless chicken as well, and the white sauce, and enjoy.